Today's video is for my skincare girlies that are having a hard time actually choosing between these two viral serums from Skin1004. So if this is you, then you want to keep watching this video because I'll be sharing all you need to know about these serums and also which is best for you and which one should you get. Hey ladies, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Now let's start with this Skin1004. This is their Madagascar Centella Ampoule. If you know Skin1004, you will know that this is the product that made them a cult favorite because this is their most viral ampoule and this is one of my favorite calming products. This entire bottle contains just one ingredient, which is centella, and you might be wondering, oh, what's the use of centella? Centella is a soothing and healing powerhouse. It helps to calm the skin of any irritation, strengthen your skin barrier, support healing, supports a good skin barrier. To be honest, when I first heard about this product, when I first got it, I was like, how good can this product be? I didn't really expect a lot from this product, honestly, but guys, when I started incorporating this product into my routine, I saw a huge difference because centella, do not sleep on centella, especially if you have oily skin. Do not sleep on, you see that ingredient Centella asiatica, don't sleep on it. It is that girl. You can see that this entire bottle is gone. It is gone. See, and this is like my third bottle that I've used of Skin1004. That would tell you that I love it so much. So if your skin is stressed out, your skin is breaking out, you have this redness, your skin is just angry for no reason, anytime you put any product on it, it's angry, then you need a calming ingredient in your routine. And when your skin is calm and your skin barrier is repaired, is in check, you would notice that you would have less breakouts.
And this Skin1004 ampoule gets the job done every single time.
I have used it. Like I said, this is my third bottle and I enjoy every bit of it. The texture is super watery, almost like water. It's really watery and it sinks into your skin, like it absorbs into your skin pretty fast. And the good thing about this product is that it pairs well with literally every single product. Retinol, actives, everything, it pairs well with it. It's a really good investment. It's a good one to have in your routine. I want to quickly put you guys on these minis that Skin1004 just released. Like, just look at how convenient these minis are, especially if you are traveling, because I know that it can be a struggle whenever we are packing to travel and you're thinking of how you're going to pack your full size product, like the big ones, like the space and the weight they are going to take. And I really like how Skin1004 just came up with these minis. This is like a full routine. It has a cleansing oil to cleanse your skin, first cleanse if you're having your makeup on, a cleansing foam, like this is your regular cleanser. Ampoule, this can act like a serum. It has a toner and it has a moisturizer. Like, just tell me how else can something be this convenient? Like, this is a full routine. And see how compact and convenient these minis are. And in case you are wondering if these are the same product as the full size, yes they are. They are the same thing, the same ingredients, everything is the same. It just comes in a smaller bottle. Go grab them, they'll come in handy. Summer is around the corner and I know a lot of us have summer trips already booked. Moving on to the OG's extra sister. This one is a new release and it's a fantastic product. It also has Centella asiatica as a base to help to calm your skin, right? But it also has like extra brightening ingredients like niacinamide, tranexamic acid, and Madagascar I don't know if I pronounced that well, but Madagascar, that ingredient. And these ingredients, they are really good for helping to brighten your skin and also evening out your skin tone. You know, if you have those acne marks, those dark spots here and there on your skin, you need products that contain ingredients like this. Niacinamide in these products will help to control your oil production and also help to brighten your skin. Tranexamic acid on the other hand helps to target those stubborn pigmentation on your skin. It also has adenosine ingredients which will help to smoothen fine lines and wrinkles. This one has a slightly thicker texture compared to the OG one. You can see it's a little bit thicker. Even though it has like a slightly thicker texture, it blends pretty well and absorbs really well into the skin.
It also contains microbeads from Madagascar, which will melt into your skin immediately and help to brighten your skin.
While I was using it in my routine, like the small bottle that I had, I did see like little difference. I saw difference in my little acne marks that I had, like one here, one there. The little fresh ones that I had, I saw that they faded out, and I knew for a fact that if I with consistent usage, I'm going to see a lot more difference, and that's why I got like a bigger one.
I also didn't experience
any form of purging. It did a good job for me. This is a really good product, but you have to be consistent with it. So now to the big question, because I know you guys have been waiting, which of these ampoules should you get? If your skin is easily irritated, you get redness, irritation, your acne is painful, you have sensitive skin, honestly, get your hands on this one, because it will help to tackle all of that problem that you have and also help to keep your skin barrier in check. But if your main concern is actually to fade out those tiny, not so stubborn dark spots that you have on your skin, then get your hands on this one. And I know you might be wondering if you cannot use both of them. Yes, you can use both of them, absolutely. They complement each other. You can have both of them in the same routine. You will use this one first because it's lighter, then you follow up with this one because it's thicker. You know how I've explained to you guys how to pair your products. Don't use the thicker ones first.
You will also notice that these products are also called
ampoule instead of serums. And you might be wondering, oh, what are ampoules? Why are they called ampoules? Let me tell you guys. So ampoules are basically a supercharged serum, meaning they are more potent than your regular serum because they contain a higher concentration of active ingredients. They are usually formulated to target just a specific skin concern, so they have that high concentration of that active ingredient that will target that specific concern, and this makes it much more potent than your regular serums. Remember, consistency is what will give you results. That is my watchword. I preach consistency. You have to be consistent with this product, else you will not see results. And skincare is also personal. What might work for me might not work for you. What might work for you might not work for me. That does not mean that the product isn't working. It's just our skin type. Let me know in the comment section if this video was really helpful to you, and if you've tried any of these ampoules. Let me know which one is your OG, which one you swear by, or if you've not tried any of this ampoule, which one you'll be getting. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot of other videos that I'm sure you're definitely going to enjoy, like this one on here. So I'll see you guys in this video. Don't go away.